So we start off today's video with this really pretty vase design. Wow, that is such a gorgeous color. So she has just like a plain clear vase here or container. You can get this from the dollar store. And then she's gonna be molding some handles with the clay. This is actually a pretty simple DIY if you think about it. Now, obviously you can spray paint this any color that you desire. I really like the ombre effect of the pink and the yellow. Wow, that is so beautiful. Such a gorgeous design and right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing this season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some viral DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow, I need some more details on that artwork. That is just gorgeous. And then she did flip it so that each one could be different but the same. Very cool. So this next DIY features some type of PVC piping. Oh, she's using like an umbrella for this, okay. You can get this probably from like a thrift store. Wow, what a cool design. So I guess that's for like a wedding. That's really pretty. And then we have a DIY table design. Oh, they did the marble look. Ooh, that came out amazing. I think maybe the top they should have went over with like some type of clear varnish or something. Just kind of make it a little bit more shiny. Then we have some plastic bowls here. E600 glue. Plastic plates. So we've seen many different variations of this particular DIY. Any guesses of what she's making? If you said side table, you would be correct. Wow. Oh, I love this. Look at that really pretty marble design she did with the gold. That is just gorgeous. So pretty. Alright, so we have a colored mirror design here for the next one. So she's using more clay for this. Can't get enough of that clay. Okay, so she's pretty much just doing a pattern, like a little squiggly pattern around the mirror. This is actually a pretty simple project. And you could do different colored clay too if you wanted to. Okay, so she goes and she spray paints the perimeter. It's like a beautiful orange shade. And then just glues it onto the mirror. Very cool idea. So this is the same woman who ended up doing the vase. There it is right there. I love her aesthetic. Look at this. All the terracotta and orange shades. This is beautiful. Love her home. And that couch looks so cozy. All right, so here we have an IKEA furniture flip here. Oh, they're just showing us what they used to create this. I need the full details on this because this looks amazing. Look at this. Wow. So relaxing. Such a beautiful bedroom. And then we have someone doing their own wall paneling. Now, this became a huge trend, I want to say like last year. And aesthetically, it looks really pretty. I do have to wonder though how long it would actually last within the home. Maybe because it's wood, it would be like really durable, but you never know. So you put the pieces on the wall and then you paint it whatever color you desire. Kind of curious to see how this would look in like pink, like a light pink. Very nice. Such a simple DIY, but it really does elevate the space tremendously. Wow. Amazing. It makes like a really pretty statement wall. Gorgeously done. And then I love the black mirror. Definitely my aesthetic for sure. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.